So I don't know what happened when I was videoing this before, but it didn't actually take footage. So here is our huge tree, and you can barely see our van under that. So that big tree is so heavy with snow that it's covering our van, so we're probably gonna lose a lot of branches there. And I've heard some trees cracking out over there too. And as I was saying in the previous video that didn't show anything, that's our Narnia light right over there. The kids and I love that. It's fun to watch the snow fall with that light on. But anyways, it's May 20th and we have snow. Like it's January. Yeah, did you hear that crack? There's just tree branches falling everywhere, which is really sad and kind of dangerous too. Yeah, I'm hearing them over here. I'll have to investigate tomorrow, but I gotta get inside. It's freezing. So hopefully this video is gonna work.